Good afternoon, everybody. Man Steve here once again. Hope everybody's getting a good start off to the third week of the month. We're just days away from Christmas. Today I am going to be starting off the week with a cleaning video. I hadn't done one in a while, not since I first moved in. This is a Power Force Helix Bissell vacuum cleaner. The last video that I did was the Power Force Ultra that I did, and today we're going to be working with this one. This belongs to my brother-in-law and my sister, and my brother-in-law, and this is a really cool looking vacuum cleaner. I don't know, I'm not exactly sure if this is as efficient as the other. Maybe it is. It has some really cool features to it. But I will tell you one thing about it. It does have a washable filters. And these are the filters, and that is the dirt and trash container. I just got this cleaned. I spent the last 25 or 30 minutes getting it cleaned. I really do not feel like, nor do I have the time to show that off in the video, so I'll just cut to the chase here. It does have two washable filters. They were very dirty and filthy. Maybe it had been months since it was cleaned last, and I just took it all apart and I cleaned it down with just an old paintbrush. This is about the clean best it's gonna get. Okay, here is a side view of it, and there is the power cord. Looks to be in good shape. It's not polarized. And here is the back of it. And here is the hose for the suction and whatnot. Unfortunately, some of the tools to this are missing, but it's still very, very efficient. See if we can get some information off of it. Let's turn it on its back here. Before I do that, I'll just go ahead and I'll show off the bottom. I know that it's not particularly the cleanest, but much better compared to what it was before. There was only so much that I could do with it for the time being. There's some information there. Let's see if I can flip it over. Just take the time to pause it and read it. Really don't have the time to read all of that out. Just a caution tag. I did not clean the sweeper on it, but I will get to that another time. Here is the information, and it was made in China, Grand Rapids, Michigan. I do believe that this is where these were manufactured. Model is 12B1. And it runs off 120 volts, 60 hertz, and 10 amp. Alright. I'm not going to go over all of it, so like I said, just pause it to read it if need be. Not exactly sure if you can get it off camera, but the floors are filthy. They have not been cleaned in the last week or two. So I'm going to go ahead and get that done today. And now that I have a tripod, I have not made a video on this yet, but whenever I get to feeling like it, I will make a video of that. If I could find the original box that it came in. This came out of the store too, by the way, so now it should be easier to shoot and get the video as I please. So I'm going to use this and I'm going to put it on the tripod, and I'm going to get the whole cleaning thing on camera. much better. There were some other places that I was not able to get to. I do not have the tool for this, for the hose, but I guess this is good enough. Something else I forgot to mention in the overview, that this has a bare floor and a high carpet setting. But with this not being cardboard floor, I really didn't see the need to even do it. So, well, there you have it, everybody. There is a quick little vacuum cleaning demonstration for you today. That is all I have. I hope that you have enjoyed the video, and more to come. Have a good one. Bye-bye.